In this video, I will show you all the different fees when trading on Bitflex. We will take a look at all the fees that there are, how high they are. I will show you some examples and a comparison to other exchanges. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. And you can pick up the best sign-up bonus possible, which is currently $10 that you can pick up when at least depositing $100. Alright, so let's jump right into the fees. We have maker fees and taker fees. Let's start off with maker fee. The fee for that is 0.015%. Maker fee means that you always have to pay it when using a limit order. So when you're trading and you choose right here on the right side limit order, then you can set a certain price right here at which you want the position to be executed. So let's say we say, for example, $40,000. Only if the price goes down and reaches that price, then the order will be executed and you would pay that low maker fee. On the other hand, there's also the taker fee, which is a little bit higher at 0.06%. And that fee you always have to pay when using a market order. So that means instead of using a limit order right here, you choose to use a market order. Then you cannot type in any price because it just uses the actual market price right now. And then you will enter the position immediately at the current market price. So the good thing for us is we will get this order executed definitely and also immediately. On the other hand, the fee for that is a little bit higher, as you've seen. Let's take a look at this comparison where we can see Bitflex is right here, pretty much in the middle with the 0.015% maker fee and the 0.06 taker fee. I also calculated an average fee of 0.037% for you right here. And also an example, if we use a $10,000 position, then we would have to pay an order fee of $3.75. It's definitely important to know that fee and how high it is also in comparison, but you can also see it's very comparable to all these other exchanges. There's really not that big of a difference. And I also have to say that it's pretty low, 0.0375%. You know, the Bitcoin price can move up or down within a day, a few percent. So 0.0375% is definitely not that much. For example, with a $10,000 long position, if the price only goes up 1%, we would make $100 of profit. So therefore, these $3.75 don't really matter at all. The other fee that also occurs is a so-called funding fee, which you can always see right up here. There is a certain range which can be positive or negative. If this is positive, then you would have to pay this fee with a long position and you will actually be credited that amount if you use a short position. On the other hand, if it's a minus before, so if it's a negative value, you will have to pay that if you have a short position and you will actually be credited if you have a long position. What's also important, it's very low most of the time, and you also have a countdown right here, and this fee actually will only be credited or you have to pay when this countdown reaches 0 and you have a position opened at that time. So this timer right here is always in an 8-hour interval, so it always resets every 8 hours, and only if the timer reaches 0 and you have a position open at that time, then this funding fee or credit becomes relevant for you. So if I open a position now and I close it before the timer reaches 0 and I open a new one after that, whatever, this never really has anything to do for me. Don't forget to create an account on Bitflex by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is currently up to $10 that you can pick up. If you need more tutorials on Bitflex, I have many more videos about how to deposit or how to trade on Bitflex on my channel. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.